DIP panel is a socket to install and uninstall chips in DIP housing. You install chips in the sockets to facilitate assemblage, to extend chip service life, to protect the element from overheating and deformation of outputs during the installation. The socket has good connection with chip outputs even after the repeated replacing of the installation element. The socket outputs are unshelled, so the contact bonding into the holes of the electronic board has no risk damage for sure. DIP panels with 1.778 mm contact space are used to test chips in electronics as well as to install the chips in order to protect the element from overheating when soldering. DIP panels are manufactured with a various number of contacts and different adjustment width of the contact row. Let's have a look at some samples of our products provided by Confly Electronic, the manufacturer. ICSS 20 DIP panel with 1.778 mm 20 contact space. Here is a brief specification of this component. First, let's decode the panel name. ICSS is a production series. 20 is quantity of contacts on the panel. And now about technical data of the panel. Contact spacing 1.778 mm. Isolation resistance is not less than 1000 mOhm. Material of the contacts is phosphor bronze. Contacts have tin covering. Contact resistance is 0.02 ohm. Limiting current is 1 ampere. The next sample of DIP panel is ICSS 40 DIP panel with 1.778 mm 40 contact space. Here is a brief specification of this panel. Quantity of contacts is 40, output spacing is 1.778 mm. Material of the contacts is phosphor bronze. Isolation resistance is not less than 1000 mOhm. Contacts have tin covering. Limiting voltage is not less than 1000 volts AC during 1 minute. Limiting current is 1 ampere. Use of the installation panels for chips can save your extra costs and time for testing and selection a chip to develop different electronic devices, as well as to repair household appliances.